Hi everyone, it's Kathy and I'm back with another project. I'm going to be offline for a while due to having some family come and visit, so I wanted to get all these things posted before that happens. This one is a folio with a journal, or Jolio if you want to call it. It's part folio and part journal. I have always wanted to make one of these, so I went ahead and did it, and I want to share that with you. This one measures approximately 7 by 9 inches, so it's not too big and yet it's not too small. You can see I used some Tim Holtz designer paper and then a lock for the closure, and then the back is just plain. You could really journal on the back of that if you'd like. So let's open it up and see what it looks like inside. Just flip the little piece there and pop the lock open. And it's kind of hard to film this, so I'll just have to do section by section. On this side, you'll see a pocket, and inside that pocket is a small journal. Again, part of the folio journal, Jolio. That's a cute little image. And then this is held down with a magnet, so that just flips open, and then you have this section. Over here is a glassine bag with a vintage image and a large tag. Again, room for journaling. And then in this section are several envelopes that I put together, and it pretty much opens like this, and then it opens like this. Again, it's pretty hard to film all of this. So let me go section by section. Again, there's an envelope here. And in each one of the envelopes, I've included an index card, so you could journal or put photos in there. And this section has a pocket with some ephemera. And then this flips out like this. And then another vintage image with another pocket and an index card to journal on. And then this page is just left blank. You could put a photo there if you'd like. So let's just flip it back the other way. This page again is left blank for you to include some photos or journaling. And then there's another excuse me, another pocket with another index card and a vintage photo. And then we got a pocket with some tags. And then another envelope with a vintage image and an index card. And then that closes up like that. This goes down like that. And then your magnet to keep it closed. And then in this section, we have two flip tabs, or just two flip sections, if you want to call it that. And each one has a belly band. Again, this is pretty hard to film. I'm trying my best. This belly band, there's two pieces of ephemera. That goes in there. And then we have a large pocket with some ephemera. All have enough room to journal on. And then the top flap has another belly band with another piece of ephemera. I hope you're getting all this. It's really difficult to film something like this. Okay, and then this opens up. Excuse me, and you've got a large space here. Mornings are not good for me. You have a large space here for photos or journaling. And three tickets. Those just flip up like that. And then on this page, there are two library pockets. And inside is some ephemera. Again, you could put pictures in there. You could put notes, whatever you'd like. There's just plenty of room. And then that flips up like that. And then the back has little pockets with small tags. And then on this page, or this section, are two glassine bags, and they have adorable pictures of children. And each one has a tag. Again, room for journaling. Another tag. And that flips up. And then the back, some pieces of ephemera. And then in this middle section is a large photo of some cute little girls. And then inside that is a large either photo mat or journaling card. Lots of room. And that just goes in there. And then the back has a glassine envelope with a couple more pieces of ephemera. And then this back section has a large pocket. Sorry, excuse me. And then a mini journal with no embellishments, just room for writing. I didn't want to add any embellishments because it would make it too thick and it wouldn't fit in the pocket, but it's perfect for writing. There you have it. And then the back flap. And then this just folds like this. This goes back like this. And then you can tie it. It's pretty unique little booklet, folio. I really like the way it came out. And then that just closes there, and that closes there. And you've got your little hook there. And there you have it. That's my folio, my take on it. I hope you enjoyed looking at it. It is available for purchase. Just contact me at kathycadile@yahoo.com. Let me know if you're interested. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my Etsy store at Keeping It Shabby. I have other journals and projects there as well. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.